Sitting comfortably on the chair. Close your eyes. Place both the feet on the floor or on the mat, making sure that there's a contact with the mat and your feet. So now join hands to the center of the chest for a round of Om chanting. Today we're doing a continuous round of Om chanting. Inhaling deep. Om, 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 Just continuing the practice and to continue observing the vibrations of Om. To follow this with a good round of palming. So now cup your face and slowly open your eyes. We're starting off today with a round of Kapal Bhati. Okay. Exhale out completely, actively from your nostrils, both your nostrils, sitting upright. Last 10 to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Discontinue the practice. Observe your breath. And just slowly open your eyes. Going ahead with a round of neck rotation, Bhima Sanchalan. To reverse the neck rotation now. Discontinue the practice. Moving on to the shoulder rotation. Inhale and out, exhale and down with Kapal Bhati again. Let's reverse it. Discontinue the practice to come up into standing now. Okay, where the chair is positioned on your side. Okay, to do a round of hip joint opening. For those of you who feel your chairs are too high, you can avoid and remove off the chair. For those, you can make your chair a target to get your leg completely over the chair and back. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Let's reverse the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Okay, changing the side. Onto the other side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one, 10. Let's reverse the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Just continuing the practice. Come back, change your leg, the previous leg. Yeah, we're doing Ashwa Sancharan on the chair. So you're going to place your right leg on the chair, hold the chair. Yeah, pull the left leg behind as much as possible. So here is a 90-degree angle on the chair. Hold the chair, bend the knee, and lock it. Lock it till it becomes complete straight. So I'm almost forming a 90-degree with both my legs. Straighten and lock. While you are locking, make sure your hands are not off the chair. There's full time on the chair to feel a complete stretch on the inner thighs. 2. Yeah, inhale, exhale. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, lock the knee. 9, last one, 10. Holding the posture, bend forward. Okay, let your knee come cross your foot. Okay, let your knee go ahead, cross your feet to get a stretch on your left leg. You arch yourself behind to go down, go back into Ardha Chandra Namaskar. Awesome. Arch and go behind. Those who have a backache problem, please do not go and arch yourself behind. Hold the posture here itself. Those who do not have a back problem, please arch well. Hold the posture. Let your arms go beyond your ears. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly return. Come back. So now change your leg. So go on to the other side now. Left leg. Get your right leg. Jump behind. Okay. So now bend and lock the knee. As you lock the knee, try getting your head also closer. So you're going to inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, and lock the knee. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and the last one, 10. Going ahead, okay. Bend the knee as much as possible. Push the knee ahead to feel a stretch on the right leg now. You can also slightly drag the right leg behind. Just grip firmly on the mat. Alright, those with backache problems, hold up the posture. Others who do not have a backache problem can arch back. Hold. Arch more. Drop the head behind. 5 more seconds. Pull the hands behind your ears. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently come back, releasing the posture. We just did a back bend to go down for a forward bend with the chair. So what I want you all to do is shift the chair ahead. To now spread across your legs and to go down holding the legs of the chair. Rest your head down on the backrest of the chair. It's just a relaxing posture, nothing to do with a stretching. Just continuing the practice. Okay, slowly splitting across your legs, you go down. Continue holding the posture, you split across your legs. Split more, slightly more, and more, and more. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinuing the practice. Come back gently, connecting back your neck. Super. Go back. Okay. Make sure the chair is again on the side. You hold and grip your chair to lift the left hand up. To ask and go down into Konasana. Now, the Konasana hand which is up in the air, you open out your legs slightly to drop your hand down on the chair. To have a full curvature on the lateral side of the body. Twist, tilt, and look up at the ceiling. You can keep your legs comfortable distance apart. Continue breathing normal. Superb. You're toning out on the lateral sides, burning off fat on the sides of the body. Here we go, 30 seconds into holding. To feel that amazing stretch. Push your arms slightly more behind. Look up at the ceiling. Don't give up now, you're almost done. Yes, and gently smile. 10 more seconds to hold. And here comes 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the posture and come up into stand. So, super. Go on to the other side. So hold. Comfortable distance apart with the legs. Open out and drop down. Arch yourself down. Look up at the ceiling. Try touching and reaching down to the back of the chair or the chair rest. Back. Push your arm behind the ears. Look up at the ceiling from your armpit. Just you're holding here for 30 more seconds. If you feel this is too easy to do it, you can also start extending your hands on the backrest of the chair to extend and to experience a greater stress on the side, lateral side of your body. Continue breathing normal. Make sure you're breathing through your nostrils and not kept your mouth open. Look up at the ceiling. Last 10 seconds. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Just continuing the practice, slowly come up and relax. So now getting ready for the next one, okay, which is Ardha Hastasana. So we're not using both the hands here. Okay, those with backache problems, please do not do this posture. I repeat, please do not do this posture, those with backache problems. So here they're arching down, going down completely into Hastasana, or you may say it is Ardha Chakrasana as well. So arch yourself to reach the backrest of the chair. To hold the posture. Hold the posture for as long as you can. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up to drop yourself down into Padhastasana, dropping your head down too. Just continuing the practice, slowly come up. Once again into standing. Yes. So now we're going to sit on the chair. Yes. We're utilizing the chair too. So we're going to sit on the chair to get your right leg now into Sukhasana. Okay. Drag it closer so that the Sukhasana comes exactly up into Padmasana. Those with knee problem, do not strain your knee. Continue keeping your leg down. Others can all please drag your leg up. From here, we're going to lift up the leg up, higher up. Okay. And try touching your head down to the toe. That's it. Inhaling, come up. Okay. Exhaling, push up the leg. Awesome. Get it closer to your chest. The leg closer to your chest. Those with knee problems can do this to a certain extent. Hold 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Discontinue the practice. Drop your leg down and push. Okay, so now there's a twist here. Twist and hold the posture. So we're doing Marichi Asana on the chair. So where my right knee is bent and my left elbow is on top of the right knee. Look behind. Try pushing the knee down, further down. That's right. Hold. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice and let's change the side. So here we go with the other side. Sukhasana leg comes closer to the groin. Heel goes closer to the groin into Padmasana. From here, we lift it up. Get closer. First, go down. Touch your head down to a 850 Sindoor here. So now slowly lift up the leg higher. Take the leg closer to your chest. Hold the leg and slightly more closer. That's right. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Place the leg on top of the thigh. Okay, so the left feet is on the right thigh. Okay, and get your right elbow down. Let it press down and look behind. Push the left knee down as much as it can go. Hold the posture. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice and release the posture. To come back again into standing. From standing, here we go on to a twist. So I'm going to face the back, interlock fingers in front of you, twist completely, stretch your arm and drop it down on the back of the chair. Twist completely, yeah. And touch your hands down on the back of the chair. From here, start pushing the chair away from you. Push the chair away from you. To increase the stretch over your arms, start pushing the chair away from you. To hold the posture now. A super stretch with a super twist on the waistline. Hold. Make sure your feet are not being changed. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Pull the chair back to your position. You start from again onto the other side now. Interlocking fingers. You twist completely. Stretch your arms. Drop your arms down on the chair and push the chair ahead. Continue pushing the chair ahead till you feel a super stretch over your arms as well as a great twist over your waist. Make sure your feet have not been turned towards the screen while doing this. Super. Let's hold this for 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Untwist yourself to come back. And to once again face the chair. From here, we're going on to a stretch, okay, on the side. So what I want you all to do is interlock fingers behind the head. Chair is on the side. Placing your right foot on the chair, you drop down. Drop down completely. Let your elbow go beyond your knee, behind. That's right. Okay. Now pulse on the side. Lock the knee. Okay. So what you can do, jump and go. Now touch the knee. So try touching your head down on the knee. Try touching your elbow on the knee. Head and the elbow. Feel the super awesome compression happening at one end and a stretch happening at the other side. Also, we are having a very good stretch on the inner thighs too. Let's do this 3 more times here. Try touching your head down on the knee, when the knee bends, and try touching your elbow down on the knee, when the knee locks. Last one. And discontinue the practice. Release out of your hands. Turn and twist yourself completely, your body on towards your legs. To go down, to touch your head down on the knee. If you feel this is very easy for you to keep your knee locked and to touch your head down, what you can also do is touch the floor, try touching your head down on the knee of on the left side. To hold the posture. So you all can choose for yourself either to touch your head on the right knee or on the left knee. Make sure both the knees are locked. Last 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. So now change the side. So here we go. We interlock fingers behind the head. Bend the knee. Okay. Jump and just slightly go away. Yeah. Each time you bend the knee, try touching your head down on the knee. When the knee locks, elbow touches the knee. 2. Keep the breathing normal. 3, 4, 5. Push the elbow slightly more behind, up towards the ceiling. 6, 7, 3 more to go. 8. No, you're not coming up. You're holding the posture down. 9. And the last one. 10. Discontinuing the practice, you hold up your arms, come up, twist completely, touch your toes, Padangustasana with Janu Shirshasana, which is touching your head down on the knee, either on your right side or on the left side. To hold the posture just for 5 more seconds, then make sure your knees are locked. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come up into standing. Awesome. So come back on the chair. Okay, and just split open your legs. Okay, as much as they can be split. To do a namaste behind, you can all see my namaste, feet down on the chair. Awesome. To move the namaste from down and up. So it's just like the Bhadrakonasana opening, but here we're doing it with the chair. So you join your legs down, okay, to do a namaste up and down. So you lift up the namaste up and down over the chair. Let's do this. 5 more, 4 more, 3 more, 2 more. Last one. Discontinue the practice and open out your leg. Similarly, we take the right leg now behind, right leg on the right side. That's right. And go down as much as you can. So drop your head down and to relax. Inhaling, come up and change the stance. Left on the left side, open it out completely so that there's a 90-degree opening between the legs. So go down. Just continue the practice. Slowly come up once again. So now, come down into Vajrasana with the chair behind. With the chair behind you into Vajrasana. So from Vajrasana, we're doing Ardha Ustrasana, okay, or Parivritta Ustrasana. So from here you come up, you arch back. Again, those with a backache problems, please do not do this one, okay. Make sure you're slightly away from the chair. So just reposition, arch, drop one hand down on the chair and the other hand is up. That's the posture. You all can keep some distance between your knees to grip yourself better. Hold. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Release out and change the side. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Come up and relax into Shashankasana. Discontinue the practice. So slowly come up. Now, make sure if your chair is a steady chair, or you can use a stool also for this. Okay, support the chair. Okay, with some support behind it to come into the plank on the chair. So we'll be placing both our legs on the chair to come into the plank pose on with the chair. To hold the posture. Those who feel very much risky to do so, you all can also do a normal plank. without the chair. Others, if you all can do this, super cool. Make sure your head is straight, chin is parallel to the floor. Continue to keep your breathing normal. 10 seconds to hold. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back, placing one knee down and the other knee down. So now come back into Vajrasana on the side. So where my chair is placed on my side. Okay, this is the second last posture for today. So what I want you all to do is to slightly come closer towards the chair, to bend the knee and to place it on the chair. So this is how it goes, like that. Yeah, and twist completely. Twist completely as much as behind you can go. Twist to have a brilliant impact on the waistline. You can also keep one hand up to hold the posture. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Drop down. Come back slowly to change the side. So go back. Change the position of the chair. Okay. Place the leg up. Okay. And twist completely behind. As much as behind you can go. And lift your left hand up now. Feel that awesome stretch coming on the back. Push your hips up towards the ceiling. Abdomen up towards the ceiling. Hold. 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Discontinue the practice. Come back slowly to go back into sitting. We're going to lie down. Okay. For the last posture, the Setu Bandhasana. We have done this couple of times in our classes. So you're going to face the chair, okay, and place both your legs up on the chair. With you lying down completely, from here, we're going to lift up our hips and down. So here with the Setu Bandhasana into pulsing, you can either keep your heels rested on the chair or soles of the feet rested on the mat. Lift up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Discontinue the practice. Hug your knees and relax into Pavan Muktasana with your head down. So slowly discontinue the practice now. Drop your knees on one side. Come up and select your legs into Sukhasana. From Sukhasana, close your eyes to observe your breath into Ujjayi Pranayama. Inhaling past the breath from the throat pit, exhaling past the breath from the throat pit. So those of you who are new to this breathing practice, you can keep your mouth open, inhale and exhale with your mouth left open. It's got amazing benefits of reversing thyroid conditions, parathyroid gland conditions, including the hyper and hypothyroidism and hyper and hypoparathyroidism. It beautifies voice. It's a channel to come to a note of meditation. It also clears up the excess of mucus which causes the upper respiratory tract infection. Those with a lot of drooling problems, excess of salivating problems can also be controlled with this set of breathing, which is Ujjayi, and two more sets to finish off with. To follow it with a good round of palming now. Pick up your face and slowly open your eyes and rise. Hari Om Tat Sa Om. Thank you.